Welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Premier 230 Sunsation. Beautiful boat here. Again, the 230 is 23 feet in length. This boat is a pontoon. We got the flip-up cleats here, your running lights and docking lights. We want the gray exterior. And then this is the Angler Edition. So a lot of great features on this boat, and one of which is on either side, both port and starboard. You have these big doors that open up to give you more room and a bigger platform to either fish or have the kids jump on and off the boat. So we'll go into more detail once we hop up on top. And then standing back here at the stern, this does have the ski tow bar, and it's powered by a 150 Mercury. So let's go inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Looking back here at the stern at your fish setup, got a big area right here. Your live well is going to be underneath, and then you also got a spot for all your bait. You got 3 spots on either sides for your rods, and then down here we even have a drawer for all your tackle. So great setup here. Again, both starboard and port. You got this big door that opens up, so great for casting and fishing off the sides, and then also for the kids to jump off the boat. A couple chairs here, and then if you want, you can move them around to different positions. Bimini top here, great sun protection. Another great feature is a cup holder, and then this also flips right over for a paper towel holder. Walking inside the boat, got the nice L-shaped seating. So on these pontoons, you're gonna have a lot of storage. And what I really like is that when you pull them back, they're gonna come back on these hinges, so they're not just flying all over the place. At the helm, we have a raised helm. This is powered by Clarion Audio. We've got a high back seat here, so really comfortable. As we're sitting here, you have your Lowrance fish finder, and then your standard gauges. We do have our tilt steering wheel. And then making our way up to the bow. This boat has a lot of doors. So again, on the stern, we have 2 doors that open up. We have one over here on the port side, and then an additional one up in the bow. So many ways to enter this boat. All right, as we make our way into the bow, again, we have lots of seating on this boat. This is a 23-foot pontoon. It's rated for 11 passengers, so it's got capability for just cruising around and hanging out, or if you're looking to fish, this is the perfect pontoon for you. Feel free to stop by our store in Rogers, give us a call, or make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.